A very good morning to all the students. Welcome to the English class where I'm going to start paragraph 6 up to paragraph 5 we have already studied, and so far we have studied that how was the childhood of APJ Abdul Kalam, about his friends, his family, his father, mother, siblings, and what type of bonding was there between the Hindus and Muslims in Rameshwaram. It has been described so far. So let's move ahead. One day when I was in the 5th standard of the Rameshwaram elementary school, a new teacher came to our class. He did his elementary school from Rameshwaram, and when he was in 5th standard, a new teacher came to his class. I used to wear a cap, marked me as a Muslim, and I always sat in the front row next to Ramanatha Sastri, who wore the sacred thread. So you can see that this is the identity of Muslim, that they wear cap, and identity of Brahmins, they wear Janeu. Janeu, sacred thread means Janeu. So he is telling, APJ is telling us that when he was in elementary school in Rameshwaram, a new teacher came to his class, and here he says that he used to sit in the front row with Ramanatha Sastri. He used to wear cap which identify that he was a Muslim, and Ramanatha Sastri used to wear what? The sacred thread. Sacred thread means that we call Janeu. Hindu people, Brahmin people wear. The new teacher could not stomach a Hindu priest's son sitting with a Muslim boy. Here the word is stomach. Stomach means tolerate. Could not tolerate. So the new teacher could not tolerate that a Hindu priest's son, as I have already told you that Ramanatha Sastri was the son of chief priest of Rameshwaram temple. So he could not tolerate that a Hindu priest's son was sitting with a Muslim boy. In accordance with our social ranking, as the new teacher saw it, I was asked to go and sit on the back bench. Means it was the social ranking. Means he took me as lower as a social ranking. He asked me to go and sit on the last bench in the class. I felt very sad, and so did Ramanatha Sastri. APJ says that इनको बहुत बुरा लगा इस बात का, and he himself was not very sad, but Ramanatha Sastri was also very sad on the act of this new teacher. He looked utterly downcast as I shifted to my seat in the last row. He looked utterly downcast. Downcast means depressed, sad. उसने मुझे एक डाउनकास्ट करके देखा जब मेरी सीट चेंज कर दी गई फर्स्ट रो से लास्ट रो में. द इमेज ऑफ हिम वीपिंग व्हेन आई शिफ्टेड टू द लास्ट रो left a lasting impression on me. As I told you that they were fast friend, they were childhood friend, and when APJ Abdul Kalam was sent on the last seat, his friend Ramanatha Sastri was about to cry, or he was weeping, and when APJ saw that his friend was crying, it casted a lasting impression on me. Lasting impression means that cannot be forgotten. जो पूरी जिंदगी उनको याद रही कि कैसे उनका दोस्त रो पड़ा था इस बात के लिए. After school we went home and told our respective parents about the incident. Both children went home and told this whole story to their parents. Lakshmana Sastri summoned the teacher. Lakshmana Sastri, who is Lakshmana Sastri? I just tell you that he is the father of Ramanatha Sastri, and he is the head priest of Rameshwaram temple. So he summoned means he called the teacher, and what he said, and in the presence of both sons, told the teacher that he should not spread the poison of social inequality. He scolded him badly, and he asked that stop spreading this poison of social inequality. रामेश्वरम में सोशल सामाजिक स्तर पर जो इनइक्वालिटी होती है, ऐसी इस चीज़ के लिए कोई जगह नहीं है, एंड इसको आपको रोकना होगा. एंड कम्युनल टॉलरेंस in the minds of innocent children. He says that communal intolerance should not be feeded in the mind of innocent children. Innocent children means ये छोटे छोटे बच्चे जो हैं, इनके दिमाग में ये कम्युनल जो इंटॉलरेंस का जहर है वो नहीं भरा जाना चाहिए. He bluntly asked the teacher to either apologize or quit the school and the island. He very strictly said that you have two options. First option, whether you apologize, या तो आप माफी मांग लें, and or quit the school and island, और या फिर आप ये स्कूल छोड़कर चले जाएं और ये आइलैंड छोड़कर चले जाएं. There is no place for you here if you don't apologize. But the strong sense of conviction Lakshmana Sastri conveyed ultimately reformed this young teacher. But the strong sense of conviction means a strong opinion or belief. It was the strong opinion or belief of Lakshmana Sastri that conveyed means communicated means उनको बता दिया उस टीचर को that the message that communal intolerance and social inequality should not be feeded up into the mind of these young children. And what the result? Ultimately reformed this young teacher. और अंत में हुआ क्या कि जो ये नए टीचर आए थे, he also reformed himself, he also changed himself, and he stopped doing such kind of things. Yes, moving to the next paragraph number 8. On the whole, the small society of Rameshwaram was rigid in terms of segregation of different social groups. On the whole, कुल मिलाजुल कर अगर बात की जाए, the small society of Rameshwaram was very rigid. Rigid can means was very strict. And for what? In terms of segregation. Segregation means separation of different social group. Means this society never want that on the basis of caste and religion people should be separated. This was the fundamental thinking of the people of Rameshwaram. However, my science teacher Shiva Subramania Iyer thought an orthodox Brahmin with a very conservative wife was something of a rebel. He says his another teacher, Shiva Subramania Iyer, he was an orthodox Brahmin. Orthodox Brahmin, the people who are very, you can say, who believe in his religion, in his or her religion strictly. So he was a very strict Brahmin with a very conservative wife. His wife was very conservative. Conservative means traditional. Was something of a rebel. But Mr. Iyer was a rebel. He says, he thinks that on the basis, he was a Brahmin. He was strict follower of his caste Brahmin, his religion Brahmin, but he did not believe in different categories of people. As पहले आपने देखा होगा, our society